Finding the perfect Christmas gift at the last minute can feel like a daunting task. As the clock ticks down, the pressure to secure something meaningful and thoughtful intensifies. Yet with a strategic approach, you can navigate this seasonal conundrum with ease, ensuring you delight your loved ones with gifts that resonate. Let's explore some time-tested methods to achieve this. First, consider the power of personal experiences. While physical gifts are always appreciated, experiences can create memories that last far longer. Look around for local events or activities, such as concert tickets, a spa voucher, or a cooking class. Many providers offer digital gift certificates, allowing you to send a thoughtful gift with just a click, avoiding the hassle of shipping delays or empty store shelves. Next, embrace the charm of the DIY gift. Creating something with your own hands not only adds a personal touch, but also demonstrates thoughtfulness and care. Whether it's a homemade batch of cookies, a hand-knitted scarf, or a personalized photo album, the effort and creativity involved can transform a simple gesture into a cherished keepsake. These creations often hold more sentimental value, resonating deeply with the recipient. In the digital age, technology can be a savior in the 11th hour. Subscription services offer a world of options, from streaming platforms to monthly book deliveries or gourmet snack boxes. These gifts keep giving throughout the year, providing continual enjoyment and novelty. Moreover, e-books or audiobooks are instantly available, offering a solution for book lovers without the need to visit a bookstore. For those who prefer a tactile gift, don't overlook the potential of local artisans and small businesses. Instead of heading to a crowded mall, explore nearby craft fairs or farmers markets. These venues often feature unique, handcrafted items that you won't find anywhere else. Supporting local shops not only helps the community but also ensures your gift is one of a kind. Another effective approach is to personalize an existing product. Monogramming services can quickly turn a standard item into a personalized gem, whether it's a cozy bathrobe, a leather journal, or a piece of jewelry. Personal touches convey consideration and can elevate an ordinary gift to something extraordinary. Furthermore, consider practical gifts that align with the recipient's hobbies or interests. A thoughtful tool or accessory related to their favorite pastime shows you pay attention to their passions and enjoyments. This could be anything from high-quality kitchen gadgets for a cooking enthusiast to a set of art supplies for a budding artist. Don't forget the importance of presentation. A beautifully wrapped gift can enhance the recipient's anticipation and excitement. Take time to wrap your gift with care, perhaps adding a handwritten note for that extra touch of thoughtfulness. Even a small gift feels more significant when presented with flair and elegance. Lastly, if time is exceptionally tight and options seem limited, a charitable donation in someone's name can be a truly meaningful gift. This choice demonstrates a commitment to goodwill and altruism, aligning with the spirit of the season. Whether it's contributing to a cause close to their heart or supporting a global initiative, this gesture highlights a different, yet impactful kind of generosity. Securing last-minute Christmas gifts doesn't have to be a stressful endeavor. By leveraging experiences, embracing DIY creativity, exploring local options, and personalizing your choices, you can create meaningful memories without the last-minute panic. Remember, the thought and consideration you put into selecting or creating a gift matter far more than its monetary value. As you embark on this holiday season, let your gifts be a reflection of your appreciation, love, and the joy of giving.